Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday, and this is a new episode of the Right Info Podcast Show with your host, Kane Twan speaking. Tonight, I would like to address minority communities are investing in crypto and escaping financial discrimination. Now, African Americans and LGBT Americans are more than likely, twice than likely, to invest in cryptocurrency than white Americans. A survey provided to over 2010 and 2003 American adults conducted during June and July of this year showed that 23% of African Americans and 17% of Hispanics have indicated they are currently investing in digital assets like cryptocurrency, Dash, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Shiba Inu. And that's good because they want to move money more. They want to get more money. See if they're investing to see if we can, get rich and all that stuff. Yeah, I say me in a sense because I done a little research on cryptocurrency myself a while back. Now, with that being compared to only 11% of white Americans and 13% of the general public. About 25% of LGBT respondents also said that they hold cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency awareness is also higher among minority groups, with half of African Americans, Hispanics, and Asians expressing a familiarity with cryptocurrency. Now, while only 37% of whites answered the same question. This poll found that 43% of African Americans believe they have not been treated fairly by the banking and loan industries, a sentiment echoed by 39% of LGBT members as well. By contrast, now only 28% of the general public say they have been treated unfairly by the financing industry and the banking industry because, I guess past discriminative behavior and ideas and thoughts feeling that, you cannot handle cryptocurrencies, in the cryptocurrency sector. Now, according to the Harris poll recently, many marginalized communities have experienced financial discrimination, like contributing to their increased willingness to explore digital assets. Because you know that cryptocurrency is decentralized. It isn't bank regulated. It isn't held by the bank. It doesn't follow the rules of a regular bank or whatever. It's mostly done by computer through blockchains and all that other stuff, but you still, like, for example, you can do stock. You can buy crypto stock. It's just like a stock exchange. Price goes up, price holds, price goes down. Either way it go. It's the same thing as putting money on a stock or that sort of thing. But this discussion that I'm having right here in this podcast deals with the problems that minorities are having with dealing with financial loan industries and banks. So turning to cryptocurrency is the only way of at least trying to have some kind of financial independence. Independence that, we can control our own money. We don't have to deal with a bank and all that, deal with interest fees and fines and all that other stuff. So, let's just deal with that. Why not? That sort of thing. And, I was just giving you all a quick little chit chat about this blog about cryptocurrency. And there are ideas, there are thoughts and solutions on how to solve the situation. If many more banks could get more involved in cryptocurrency or educate those who do not know about cryptocurrency. If not then banks, then go on the internet and look it up, do your research. That's what I did. I researched cryptocurrency. I learned a whole lot of stuff. Now, I'm not saying I will go into it right now, but it's something to dabble in. It's something to look into. And who knows? Anything can happen. Anybody can go into it, long as it's just like regular money. You handle cryptocurrency just like any other currency with care. You don't want to screw it up. You don't want to mess it up. You don't want to lose anything. Handle it with a real decent hand, and you'll know what you're doing. Do your research, see what it does. If it makes you enough money, hey, go for it. If not, then you might want to think twice about it. But always look into everything about it. The ups and downs, the ins and outs, the pros and cons, no matter what. That's what I did. So this is just a little friendly advice on this podcast show that I'm giving everyone about cryptocurrency and the effects that it has on minority communities, LGBT, Hispanic, or any other community, no matter what. Just be careful with your money when you have it. If you're going to invest smart. Even if it's cryptocurrency, regular currency, or any other kind of currency. Just make sure you know what you're doing before you jump the gun and make a mistake that you might wind up forgetting. Because nobody likes to be broke and everybody likes to be rich. Well, not be rich, but everybody likes to make money and look down the road of someday being rich compared to somebody who's doing the same thing, isn't careful, and wind up being broke. Now, with that being said, I was just giving a short podcast tonight about a financial situation and the ideas and what it does and the effects that it has on race and creed and various other situations. This is Kane Twan speaking to you all tonight. You all have a happy December evening. Christmas is coming up. Enjoy you all's holiday. Another podcast from the Right Info Podcast Show will be coming up pretty soon. You all take care and have a good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.